Welcome to Onboarding Earth 2024, Module 1, in a series of 3 preparatory information sessions to equip you for the experience. Module 1, Birth to Adolescence. On arrival, you will maintain sustenance and rest within the family unit you've pre-selected. You understand that this initial unit, as well as those within the proximal community, will have rules and expectations of you as a fellow member. You also understand that you will arrive without remembrance of these preparatory sessions, but that at some juncture, the memory will emerge. In the interim, you will be presented with options for exploration of the mysteries of your existence within the experience. Exercise caution. Earth is a free will experience, and participation is equivalent to permission, for every experience requires the exchange of energy, currency, or signature. You are free to revoke permission by non-participation, yet each option includes explicit or implicit consequences for revocation. Because of free will, some experiences may be confusing, infringing upon your energy, currency, or signature that enable another's experience. During this period, resolution of such infringements may be limited due to cognitive dissonance, community ambivalence, or both. This concludes Module 1. Welcome back to Onboarding Earth 2024, Module 2, Adolescence to Adulthood. The Earth experience is duplicitous by design. The intuition or feelings relied upon for guidance and protection by inductive reasoning in the previous phase will now be at odds with increased production of hormones in preparation for maturation and potential procreation. Management of unresolved infringements may prove more difficult at this time as well, for physical sensations evoked by increased hormones are often mistaken for emotions. Additionally, emotions now defer to logic since much information has been gathered to enable reasoning, decision-making, and planning for the future. Since the trajectory of one's future depends largely on the opportunity to explore ingenuity, social influence, and self-actualization, you will encounter equally salient opportunities to violate the mind, body, personal integrity, and freedom to explore. The duplicitous design attempts to challenge rational character formation, an honorable public reputation within an ever-expanding community, and most importantly, self-regard. In summation, greater freedoms now available demand greater attention to maintain, to avoid unsupportable habit formation, non-social behavioral patterns, and mismanagement of information and emotions so critical for a productive adulthood and beyond. This concludes Module 2. Your project deserves the best call to action from every conceivable perspective available, one to reach virtually any target audience with ears to hear. I'm a daughter, granddaughter, sister, auntie, wife, mother, stepmother, grandmother, great-grandmother, nail tech, divorcee, single parent to teens, with the youngest of 3, a 3-time open-heart surgery patient, a recording artist in a language I don't understand or speak within a traveling tent ministry, an author, unconventional university student with an undergrad in communication and graduate degree in psychology, a double master's student in higher education, a widow, and both homed and homeless. I've possessed both much and little and have beaten the odds time and time again. I am certain there's something inside this repertoire that can lend some insight to your project. I can deliver. It's just who I am.